Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Get ready to put on your detective hats and grab your magnifying glasses because today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of secret crushes. We've all been there, right? Trying to decipher the mixed signals, wondering if someone actually enjoys our company or if they're mentally planning their escape route. Well, fear no more. Today we're cracking the code, folks. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to reveal 10 telltale signs that she might, just might, have a little something for you. Let's do this. 1. She's always around. Okay, first up, let's talk proximity, people. Does she magically appear around you like a lovesick pigeon drawn to a freshly baked croissant? I mean, you're at your locker, bam, there she is. You're grabbing a snack, boom, she's suddenly thirsty too. Coincidence? Maybe once or twice, but if she's constantly orbiting your universe like a love-struck satellite, it's time to raise an eyebrow, my friends. Now, I'm not saying she's hired a private investigator to track your every move, though wouldn't that be flattering? But pay attention to how often she finds excuses to be near you. Does she ask you seemingly random questions that could easily be Googled? Hey, do you happen to know what year the War of 1812 started? Yeah, that's probably not about history class, my friend. She's just trying to create a reason, any reason, to talk to you. So keep your eyes peeled and your ears open, because her presence, my friend, is no accident. 2. Deep conversations galore. Alright, moving on from her physical presence to something even more revealing, her words. Now, we're not talking about your average, hey, what's up? Small talk here. We're talking deep dives into the depths of your soul, my friend. Does she ask about your day, but actually want to know the details, not just waiting for her turn to talk? Does she inquire about your hopes, your dreams, your deepest fears of squirrels wearing tiny hats? Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. The point is, she's not just filling the silence, she's genuinely interested in what makes you, you. She's hanging on to your every word like it's the season finale of her favorite show, and trust me, that's a good sign. This isn't just polite chit-chat. This is her trying to build a connection brick by conversational brick. 3. She's your mirror image. Okay, get ready for some next-level detective work because we're about to get all scientific up in here. Have you ever heard of mirroring? No, not the kind where you make silly faces at yourself in the mirror, though that's fun too. I'm talking about subconscious mirroring, where someone subtly imitates your body language, gestures, even your speech patterns when they're really feeling you. If you take a sip of your drink, does she do the same a moment later? If you lean back in your chair, does she adjust her posture to match? Mirroring is a natural way for our brains to build rapport and connection with someone we're interested in. It's like saying, hey, I get you. So if she's subconsciously mimicking your every move, it's a good sign she's feeling the vibes. The good kind of vibes. 4. Compliment queen. Let's be real, everyone loves a good compliment, right? It's like a little verbal high five for your soul. But when she's constantly showering you with praise, it might be more than just her being nice. Does she notice your new haircut, even if it's just a subtle trim? Does she compliment your sense of humor, your taste in music, the way you expertly fold a fitted sheet? Okay, that last one's impressive, I'll give you that. The point is, she's paying attention to the little things, the things that make you unique. And she's not afraid to vocalize her appreciation. Frequent, genuine compliments are definitely a sign that she sees something special in you. 5. She's a little bit nervous. Okay, we've all been there, right? That feeling of butterflies in your stomach, sweaty palms, and the sudden inability to form coherent sentences when you're around your crush. So, if she seems a little flustered around you, don't write it off as disinterest. It might actually be the opposite. Does she fidget with her hair, play with her jewelry, or suddenly develop an intense fascination with the floor tiles when you're around? Does her voice get a little higher, her words a little faster, like she's trying to fit a whole conversation into one breath? These are classic signs of nervousness, my friends, and they often stem from wanting to make a good impression. Think about it. When you're around someone you're indifferent to, do you really care if you spill your coffee on yourself or accidentally call them by the wrong name? Probably not. But when it's someone you actually like, the stakes are higher and the pressure is on. So embrace the nervous energy, the awkward silences, the accidental snorts of laughter. 6. She's making the first move. All right, let's talk initiative, people. In the game of love, sometimes you gotta make the first move. And if she's consistently the one reaching out, it's a clear sign she's interested. Now, I'm not just talking about liking your Instagram post from 3 years ago, though that's always a good sign too. I'm talking about genuine effort here. Does she text you first? Not just with a hey, but with a thought-provoking question or a funny meme she knows you'll appreciate? Does she call you just to chat even if she has no real reason to? If she's putting in the effort to initiate contact, to make plans, to keep the conversation flowing, it's because she genuinely enjoys spending time with you, both virtually and in person. So, the next time she reaches out, take the hint, respond with enthusiasm, and let the connection blossom. 7. She remembers. All right, time to dive into the land of details, because let me tell you, when it comes to crushes, the details matter. Think back to that time you mentioned your love for Olive Loaf in the 3rd grade. Random, I know, but stay with me. Now, if she brings up your fondness for Olive Loaf 3 weeks later unprompted, that's not just good memory, my friend. That's her paying attention to even the smallest, seemingly insignificant details about you. She's not just passively listening, she's actively absorbing everything you say, committing it to memory, because she genuinely cares about getting to know every quirky, wonderful detail about you, even your questionable taste in lunch meat. 8. She's the teasing queen. Okay, let's be honest, a little playful teasing never hurt anyone, right? It's like the spice of life, adding a little bit of flavor to the mix. But when she's constantly poking fun at you, in a light-hearted, affectionate way, of course, it's a sign that she feels comfortable around you, that she sees you as more than just a friend. Now, we're not talking about mean-spirited jabs or hurtful insults here. We're talking about the kind of teasing that comes from a place of fondness, the kind that makes you laugh and roll your eyes at the same time. Maybe she teases you about your questionable dance moves, your obsession with a certain boy band from the 90s, or your uncanny ability to attract pigeons in the park. Hey, it's a gift. Whatever it is, she's using humor as a way to connect with you, to break down barriers, and to let you know that she's not afraid to be herself around you. So, embrace the playful banter, the witty comebacks, the shared laughter. 9. The art of the subtle touch. All right, buckle up, because we're about to enter the territory of physical touch. And no, I'm not talking about anything inappropriate. I'm talking about those subtle, fleeting moments of contact that speak volumes about her feelings for you. Now, I'm not saying that every accidental brush of the hand or friendly pat on the back is a surefire sign she's head over heels in love, but pay attention to the frequency and intentionality of her touches. Does she lightly touch your arm when she's making a point, her fingers lingering for a moment longer than necessary? Does she playfully nudge you with her shoulder when you share a joke, a mischievous glint in her eye? These seemingly small gestures can be a powerful indicator of attraction. 10. Your life is to her, at least. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about her interest in your life. And I'm not just talking about your impressive collection of rubber duckies, though I'm sure they're delightful. I'm talking about genuine curiosity about your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your aspirations, your thoughts on the meaning of life, the whole shebang. Does she ask about your friends, your family, your plans for the future? Does she want to know what makes you tick, what brings you joy, what keeps you up at night? If she's actively engaged in learning about every aspect of your life, it's because she sees a future with you, my friend. She's not just passing the time, she's investing in getting to know the real you, the good, the bad, and the downright weird. She's basically reading your autobiography cover to cover, and she can't wait to see what exciting chapter unfolds next. Does she want you? Maybe. So, there you have it. If you notice these signs, she might just have a secret crush on you. But remember, communication is key. Sometimes the best way to know someone's true feelings is to simply ask. Put yourself out there, be brave, and who knows, you might just unlock a whole new level of awesomeness in your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.